Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll show you how to check your report in your device. Other than that, you also can check your report online in ABoss. Thank you.
Okay, so for example, after you closing, then you shows your opening and closing. Okay, this is some short of 20 cents. Then you can refer to the report. So the sales will include your cash sales and your e-wallet sales. And then for here, you can refer for more. For example, your gross sales, how many per hour, by your sales by hourly, your table turns and customers, your payment method types, and here will only show your cash only, so which is 58 ringgit and 20 cents. Then your paid orders, who made the sales, your declaration summary, and it will show that your closing is not tally with less for 20 cents. Here only show cash, and this is your float, and here will show your remarks, and this is your item summary. So normally what we do is you click on more, click here print report. So normally we will click on payment summary for all the sales including your e-wallets and cash. Then secondly, what we refer is your payment declaration, which only show on your cash and cash sales. Then at the end, what the boss will refer is the item sales report, and the boss will know that which item is most popular. If you want to refer to the previous day, click on the more here and click on select date and previous shift. Then you can select on the yesterday, which is 23rd, so it will show the daily sales of 23rd May. Furthermore, you only can refer up to 7 days on last week. For more, you also can click on the email to email your reports. So for more customization report, you can refer to the ABoss. You can refer to this tutorial video. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Genius Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找post system, 找 Aseng.